Hey, this is Brandon with GC Water.
So today we're going to talk about changing the filters on a NEX 500 from GC Water. So basically the main thing you want to worry about is to ensure the outgoing pressure is at 0, and if it does happen to be running at the time you go to change the filters, all you have to do, which you should do either way, is to flip these switches before you start the process. And like I said, if it does have pressure, wait for it to hit the 0 and you'll be all set. Now that the system pressure is at 0 and the switches are off, we will begin changing the filters. So we're just going to start over here with the number 1. Now what I like to do personally is throw a towel down, just because you will have some residual water coming from these filters. So just a quick turn, pull, quick turn, pull, and we're just going to go ahead and run through all these real quick. Now the last two will be a little bit different. So we'll just do these first 4, and then we'll move to the membranes, quick turn and a pull. And then we'll go ahead and get the replacement filters. So I'm going to start with the number 2s. And they go right where they came from. That's the reverse process. Just throw it in there like such. Oh, there we go. The number 1s. Oh, I remember my first time. And just to be clear, there is no specific order for these. You can put them in whatever order you like. And there you have it. You got a successful filter change. And you get it back up and running. All you got to do is flip on the switches. Make sure there's no leaks. That you got the filters in there nice and snug, and you should be all set. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this helps you in the future when it comes to your filter changes. Feel free to contact us at the information below, and keep an eye out for new videos to come.